So we're touching a partner's base, we're plucking the back to get a mechanical line, and then through that we move and extend the yi back to get our partner into a vulnerable position, and then maintaining that feeling, we pump the Tien and then pulse the energy out. So pluck the back, extend the yi to bring your partner 4 to 6 inches off their balance, and then run the energy out. Minimize transfer of force through the hands, maximize through the feeling of your core through their core through that magnetic quality. So you pluck the back, you get a mechanical line, gives you clarity of intent. You relax that magnetic feeling out 4 to 6 inches outside of their body until their balance is totally gone, and then you relax and sink and pump your core through that feeling. Now, if I do it without getting the intent right, it doesn't matter how much I pump, nothing's going to happen. I've got to get the frequency, pluck the fascia, extend the yi. Now I'm in a place where the energy is going to wave and hit through that. And then you increase the amount and distance and speed. There's a certain speed in which when you do these drills that you get an amplified effect with the same amount of energy. You just move it faster, and you can go into the field effect. And as soon as it goes above a certain speed, the reaction between the bodies amplifies and you get a better reaction inside them. So just keep speeding up, speeding up, speeding it up. The hardest part for this game is clarity of intent. The energy, when it goes through, what frequency and what space is it occupying, and going from a wave to a field. You get those right, and then everything gets easier and easier. And this exercise is really about clarity of intent. I've got a mechanical line, I go magnetic and open it, and then pump the energy, and you just have to pump it faster and faster with the field, and then it starts to work. Most problems are a lack of clarity of intention. The mind isn't very clear on what it wants, so the energy becomes scattered. It doesn't matter how much energy a person has, if the mind hasn't got clarity, the energy won't do its thing, it won't do what it's meant to. We need that clarity. That's why the mechanics work so well. Okay, partner up, have a play.